Good morning internet, it is 7:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in the beautiful town of Puyo, Ecuador. Remember this strange looking fruit that I bought a few episodes ago in some shop and I completely forgot about it. But it still looks, I guess, edible. So I think it's time to cut it open and taste how this tastes like. Oh, it's juicy. Oh, aha, looks a bit like a kiwi. Here we go. Oh, this is super good. Okay, now I'm just one piece of fruit. I don't think I can ride the whole day. They don't do breakfast here, so I'm just gonna walk into town and see if we can get ourselves some breakfast. So this is for breakfast, and then I got some pineapple juice and coffee. It's interesting, here in Ecuador the way that they serve coffee is basically, if you want coffee with milk, they give you a whole glass of warm milk and then some instant, and then you just have to chug the instant coffee with the warm milk. That's the way they do coffee around here. Alright, before I set off, I'll give you a small update on the map, where we are. So this is the bottom side of the map. So I completed the loop up here and I went back to the other side of the map. So Ecuador is actually divided into 4 areas. One is the Galapagos, so I won't be going to the Galapagos, of course. And the other 3 areas are La Costa, so the coast, La Sierra, the high mountains, and El Oriente, which is the Amazon. So I visited all those 3 areas already, and now let me show you the other side of the map. So in the last ride I went, well, it's not on the map, but anyway, I rode kind of this way. I crossed that one river in the little basket, and then eventually I reached the Pastaza River, which I couldn't cross, and then I backtracked. I went to Palora, and then I found here the main road, and then I went here to Puyo, where I am now. And today the plan is to go to Cotopaxi, the volcano. Adios! Ciao! Oh, this is still closed. Muchas gracias. Ciao. Oh. Half the mountain came down here. Look at that. Oy. Aye, this is already the park entrance. That is not good news because motorcycles are not allowed into Cotopaxi National Park, but I thought this road would not go straight into the park yet. Yeah, I have to find another way in. Okay, attempt number 2. I'm passing through Machichi or something. Machachi. This is Machachi. Because this is the main church, probably. Built in 1922. I just spotted there. Oh. Escuela de Niños / school. I think I'm gonna stop and put my raincoat on before the torrential downpour starts. Oh dear. Where am I going? No sight on the volcano yet. Looks like it actually has been raining for a while here. This is quite a mess. Go away. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, this is very slippery. Oh, come on. That retire is terrible. Nasty mud. Almost lost the rear tire again. It started raining again. Quite hard, so I'm just going to find a place to stay for tonight. Because there's no point in trying to ride to the volcano now, because you can't see anything and it's raining. So I'll see if it clears up this afternoon, then I'll go out and ride. And if not, I'll see maybe tomorrow morning early. Maybe it's clear. Incredible, right? There's just a glacier on top there. I can't go any closer to the volcano, so I'm now just
kind of heading back a little bit, and then I'm off to Quito, back to Quito, and then I'm gonna look for some tires. So that's the mission for today. It's not very far to Quito. I think it's 70 or 80 kilometers. One last look at the Cotopaxi. This is all still from yesterday. Oh, that is muddy. Slipping again. Somewhere here is another bike shop that I'm gonna try. Somewhere here. Does anyone see a bike shop? Maybe just a bit further. Around the corner. The front. Ah, okay. No, that's fine. If it fits, it's yeah. Alright, they only have one set of tires that fits Alaska, and that's this set, which are actually pretty good tires. These are the Haideno K60. I guess I'm pretty pleased with that. So Alaska is already sitting here, ready for the change. So, new tires are on. Have a look at this. Oh, it looks good. It's always nice to have fresh rubber, of course. But there's some construction in the background. Anyway, I'm super happy that that's sorted and now I'm good to go. And these are very hard compound tires and I think they're supposed to last really long. Which is just nice if you do long distance travel, because now I don't have to worry about tires for a really long time. So pretty pleased with that. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.